Now we have to see the Italian unification. The same situation, whatever the geographical situation of the Italy, Italy was scattered over the several dynastic state as well as the multinational Habsburg Empire. इटली भी कई सारे स्टेट में डिवाइडेड था, कई सारे प्रोविंसेस में डिवाइडेड था और एक मल्टी नेशनल हैप्सबर्ग एम्पायर भी था, यानी ऐसा एक राजवंश था जो इटली में तो था ही और इटली के स्टेट्स में तो था ही और कई सारे अदर कंट्रीज में भी था, यानी इटली पूरी तरीके से फ्रेगमेंटेड था. ड्यूरिंग द मिडल ऑफ द 19th सेंचुरी इटली वॉज डिवाइडेड इनटू द 7 स्टेट ऑफ विच द सार्डिनिया पिडामोंट was the prominent and ruled by the Italian princely house. इसमें से कई सारे स्टेट्स में एक स्टेट था सार्डिनिया पिडामोंट का. ये रहा सार्डिनिया और ये है पिडामोंट, ये दोनों कंबाइंड ही हैं. ज्योग्राफिकल रूप से ये सेपरेट हैं बट पॉलिटिकल रूप से ये कंबाइंड थे, एक ही रूलर इनमें रूल करता था. इस स्टेट में इटली का एक लोकल रूलर ही रूल करता था, नॉट द अदर एनी अदर रूलर्स और एनी अदर आउटसाइडर रूलर. मल्टी नेशनल एम्पायर was prominent and ruled by the Italian provinces. अब इसके ज्योग्राफी को समझ लें. As we have seen the Germany was divided or fragmented into several states. In the same way, Italy was fragmented into the several states or provinces ruled by the local rulers. On with the Sardinia, Piedmont, Lombardy, Venetia, Parma, Medona, Tuscany, Pope state and Sicily was the most prominent states. Now we called these state as the northern state. It means the Sardinia, Lombardy and Venetia are called the northern state on which there was the influence of the Austrian Habsburg Empire. It means on the Lombardy and Venetia we will see the influence of the Austria. Okay, now the Parma, Medona, Tuscany and the Pope was called central was situated in the central Italy. Parma, Medona and Tuscany was ruled by the local Italian rulers and the Pope state, it means the Rome was ruled by the Pope which was under the influence of the France. The Pope state was ruled by the Pope, the church, but it was influence of the France. Okay, now the Sicily was under the influence of the Spain, Bourbon king of the Spain. This is the southern Italy. This part is called the southern Italy, was under the influence of the Bourbon king of the Spain. Now this is the northern Italy, this part is the central Italy and this is the southern Italy. These were under the influence of the Austria. These were the local rulers, local Italian rulers. Pope was under the influence of the French king and the Sicily was under the influence of the Spain. So we have seen the fragmentation of the Italy. Now Italian language were not common language and had many regional and the local variation. As we have seen in the Germans, at least Germans have their own common language, but the condition of Italy was even worse, that they do not even have the common language to unite the people in the name of the language. So the condition of Italy was more worse than that of the Germans. Now earlier attempts to unite the Italy, हमने देखा था कि 1830s में Mazzini, Giuseppe Mazzini had formed the secret society Young Italy to establish the republic in Italy, but liberal attempts was failed repeatedly in 1831 and 1848 में. मैज़नी ने कई सारे अटैम्प्ट किए थे यंग इटली, यंग यूरोप और कई सारे सीक्रेट सोसाइटी जैसे कार्बोनरीज फॉर्म हुए थे टू एस्टैब्लिश द रिपब्लिक इन फ्रांस, बट ऑल दीज अटैम्प्ट्स वेयर फेल्ड. आफ्टर द लीडर्स कम इनटू द हैंड ऑफ द, इसके बाद after the repeated attempts were failed after 1848, the leadership now come into the hand of king of the Sardinia Piedmont. Sardinia Piedmont का हमने देखा. This is the Sardinia, the king of the Sardinia and the Piedmont, same state. Now अब यहाँ पर leadership आएगी the king of the Sardinia and Piedmont known as the Victor Emmanuel II. Victor Emmanuel II. For ruling allied, the unified Italy offered them a possibility of economic development and the political dominance. एक ruling allied के लिए नहीं, एक जो king है इसके लिए जो unified Italy का मतलब था economical development और political dominance. जैसे पहले जो पेडामोंड के जो रूलर का जो रूल था, जुरिसडिक्शन था, वो यही था। लेकिन पॉलिटिकली अगर ये यूनाइट हो जाए, इसका मतलब ये है कि द रूलर ऑफ द सार्डिनिया विल रूल द कंप्लीट इटली and definitely there will be no there will be no hindrance in the movement of the goods and services, and this led to the economic development of the complete region. So for the ruling elite, it means the economical development and the political dominance, that they will dominate the complete country. Now, as we have seen in the German, there was a chief minister known as the Otto von Bismarck. In the same way, there was the chief minister of the king, Victor Emmanuel King's chief minister was known as the Cavour, which led to the movement to unify the region of Italy. जैसा हमने जर्मन्स में देखा था, केसर विलियम्स फर्स्ट का एक चीफ मिनिस्टर था, Ottoman Bismarck. In the same way, we have the chief minister in the Italy known as the Cavour, which led the movement of unification of the Italy on behalf of this king, on the behalf of his king. किंग के बिहाफ में जो यूनिफिकेशन की प्रोसेस को कंप्लीट किया वो कावुर ने किया. In the same way as we have seen that in the Germany all the work was done by the Ottoman Bismarck. In the German it was done by the Cavour.